So I'll give you an example. When will I see Radha's footprints? And when will you please bless me? The Padakartas sing, Vrindavan mein kan kan bole Shri Radha Radha. In Vrindavan, even the smallest pebbles and particles are chanting Radha 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 Radha. Vrindavan mein kan kan bole Shri Radha Radha. Kan kan means little bit. Little tiny, this little bit. Our minds, this is 8th point. Our minds are forever searching for pleasure, happiness, and enjoyment in 1,000 different ways and places. But the search for bliss ends here. The search for bliss ends here in Vrindavan. So may we all follow Prabodh Ananda Saraswati's perfect example and pray to Radhika. And pray to Vrindavan. Oh, my foolish, restless, mad mind, just please find pleasure and find your satisfaction here in the rasa-filled forest of Vrindavan, the eternal playground of Radhika Shyam Rai. So this is my summary of some of the points that we discussed of verse 14. Now we'll start verse 9.